What is the use of the hair in between the anus? In Igbo, we call it Okurakbong.
Blood of Bobrisky. Very simple.
Neighbor.
Neighbor.
Thank God, say it outside.
Wait on the
Thank God.
neighbor. This one wey carry book, they go off.
No be small thing, no. Now this my cousin, no. They don't give him assignment for school. Now he carry her come house, come dey worry me. No, they say my head, no, they tell me anything, no. I don't make me say make I come meet you. Now I know that you go, you go help me.
Blood of Bobrisky. So the assignment, which subject?
Now government, oh.
Very simple something. Government.
Okay.
Throw me the question.
This is school table. So they ask hard.
Throw me the question. Let me.
Okay, now I be this. What is government?
Very simple.
Okay.
Government are group of people that gather themselves inside Aso Rock to loot the money which is meant for citizens to buy expensive car, to send their children to abroad,
Okay.
to send their Olosho girlfriends to Dubai for shopping, to send their wife to India for treatment,
Okay.
buy tonton houses for Lekki and Banana Island. Last but not the least, they leave their citizens into hunger and chronic poverty.
That is not corruption.
Full stop. What is the next subject?
Biology, sir.
Now later they pay house rent that time with the subject.
Biology.
I will not say. Hit me the question.
The topic is puberty. What is the use of the hair in between the anus? In Igbo, we call it Okurakbong.
Blood of Bobrisky. Very simple.
Okay.
The hair in between the anus is for protection of mess
It is smoky.
from sounding blue.
It is taking their hand.
Because the hair between the anus, whenever you shave it, even if you want to mess a mess that will sound it will be sounding pa, 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 pa. So for example now, when you go inside, shave your own so that you know what I'm saying. So finally,
Photo.
the hair in between the anus
Not be juju be that.
is meant for protection of mess from sounding boom.
You are a bad boy.
That's it. Because as you see me now, self, I don't shave my own.
It's finished.